the petitioner, being a local self-government, my lord, being a panchayat. Now the
Is the respondent number 9 there? 8?
Respondent number 8 is, my lord.
Baba Sahib Enterprise.
We have served, my lord. We have served upon the respondent number 8 and 9. But it is not, it has got nothing to do as such with respondent number 8 and 9.
Why have you made them parties?
I'll tell you, Lordship. So the property of the panchayat, now that has been taken over, my lord, by another Article 12 authority, my lord, being the police. Without any rhyme or reason, my lord. The property.
Who are you?
I am the panchayat. I am the panchayat. I say, my lord, that the police travelling beyond the scope of the Police Act or the PRB, my lord, the Police Regulation of Bengal, my lord, they are also a statutory body. Now they have acted beyond that, my lord, and they have done this particular. May I just run very briefly, my lord, through the facts of the case, my lord. My lord, 2014-15, my lord, this particular warehouse, my lord, was constructed by this particular panchayat at Nondigram. This is known as Shonachura Gram Panchayat, my lord. This was constructed out of the funds of the panchayat, and in terms of, my lord, section 42(1) subsection A and subsection F of the Panchayat Act, my lord, all the roads, etc., and the area adjoining the road, my lord, these all rest on the upon the panchayat, my lord. Now thereafter, my lord, this was being used as a warehouse, my lord, for the purpose of storing, my lord, materials, my lord, for public utility. Now suddenly, my lord, since 24th of August, the respondent number 7, my lord, has occupied that particular warehouse. But kindly, I'll take your lordship, my lord, through the photos. Page 24, if my lord kindly takes pen. Before that, page 23. This is the warehouse, my lord, and this is, my lord, the plaque, my lord, which is there.
In whose name did the land stand?
Well, it is government land. It is a road, my lord.
It's a road.
Yes, it is a road. I'll tell you, lordship, my lord. Section 42.
Oh, 1 minute. Yes.
Section 42 of the Panchayat Act states. Let me copy the vector. All property within the local limits of the jurisdiction of Gram Panchayat of the nature hereinafter in the section specified, other than the property maintained by the central or state government or a local authority or any other Gram Panchayat, shall vest in and belong to the Gram Panchayat, and shall, with all other property of whatsoever nature or kind which may become vested in the Gram Panchayat, be under its direction, management and control. That is to say, my lord, kindly takes, my lord, subsection A, all public streets, including the soil, stones and other materials thereof, and all drains, bridges, culverts, trees, erection materials, implements and other things provided for such streets. And thereafter, my lord, kindly takes, my lord, clause F, subclause F, my lord, all buildings erected by the Gram Panchayat and all lands and buildings or other property transferred to the Gram Panchayat by the central or state government or acquired by gift, purchase or otherwise for local public purposes. So, my lord, this is, my lord, essentially, my lord, a property coming under the Gram Panchayat, out of the Panchayat funds, my lord. This particular warehouse, my lord, was constructed. My lord will find the photo at page 23 that depicts, my lord, the plaque and the year of construction, my lord. Construction of go-down building, ground floor and first floor, my lord, under Mauja Gangra. Fund is, my lord, the 13th Finance Commission. Year is 2014-15 under the Shonachura Gram Panchayat. Now, my lord, kindly turns over leaf, my lord, page 24. Now, my lord, will find, my lord, at the left, my lord, just, my lord, next to, my lord, the photo of the door. My lord, in the left hand side, my lord, will find the two plaques, my lord, the photos of which, my lord, just saw, my lord. And what has happened is, my lord, now the police, without any justification and, my lord, not being backed by any provision of law, my lord, they have entered into this particular warehouse and they have now set up this particular signboard regarding Shonachura Pari. So that is my case, my lord. My lord, a report, my lord, has to come, my lord.
My lord, yes, I have got the report.
Now I will tell you, lordship, my lord, why, my lord, the private respondent, where from the private respondent came into picture. Now there was, my lord, some construction work which was undertaken, my lord, just adjacent to, my lord, or rather adjoining this particular warehouse. So upon inquiry by the panchayat, it was found out that the contractor, the private respondent is a contractor. He says that no, the Zilla police have floated some tender, and on the basis whereof I am undertaking this construction. Now, we have annexed a copy of that particular work order, my lord. It is found nowhere, my lord, from the work order, my lord, that the warehouse, my lord, is involved. And we issued, my lord, a stop work notice. On the basis thereof, my lord, the contractor has stopped, my lord, construction. The stop work notice is at, my lord, page 29.
Page 24, the building is there. What further construction is being
Well,
made?
they were, my lord,
For community and.
they were trying to construct something, my lord.
Kindly page 26.
And since when is this Phadi or
Since
outpost?
August 2024, my lord, we have, my lord, also lodged complaint, my lord, to the BDO. Page 25, my lord, will find. Page 25,
Establishment of that building.
Page
25.
25,
Since 2015, the police party is continuing.
my lord, page 25, my lord, kindly take page 25.
Yes.
This is the, my lord, one of the few panchayats, my lord, which, my lord, is, my lord, headed by, my lord, the, my lord, party in opposition. So, my lord, that is why, my lord, we are now being made to face the brunt, my lord. The police, my lord, in broad daylight, my lord, the police are trying to use up the property, my lord, which vests, my lord, unto the panchayat, my lord, by operation of statute. Well, we had, my lord, immediately written to, my lord, the block development officer. It's in vernacular, আমি such and such সোনাচুরা গ্রাম পঞ্চায়েতের প্রধান হইতেছি। বিগত 14-15 আর্থিক বর্ষে 13 সেন্ট্রাল ফিনান্স কমিশন হইতে গোডাউন ঘর পঞ্চায়েতের পক্ষ থেকে নির্মাণ করা হয়েছিল, যা আজও গোডাউন ঘর হিসেবে ব্যবহৃত হইতেছে। কিন্তু হঠাৎ করে নন্দীগ্রাম থানা উক্ত ঘরটি পুলিশ ফাঁড়ি হিসেবে ব্যবহার করার জন্য একটি ব্যানার লাগিয়েছে। পঞ্চায়েতের কোনো অনুমতি নেওয়া হয়নি। বিনা অনুমতিতে এইভাবে ঘরটি ব্যবহার করা অফিসের পরিপন্থী। এমত অবস্থায় আমার বিনীত সবিনয় নিবেদন যে উক্ত ঘরটি যাতে পুলিশ ফাঁড়ি হিসেবে ব্যবহৃত না হয় এবং পঞ্চায়েত তাহার নিজস্ব দখলে রেখে নিজে ব্যবহার করতে পারে, তার জন্য প্রয়োজনীয় ব্যবস্থা গ্রহণে আজ্ঞা হয়। So, my lord, this is, my lord, the genesis and, my lord, the short point, my lord, involved in the issue, my lord. The police, my lord, if the police wants to take claim, my lord, insofar as using of this go down is concerned, my lord, they have to, my lord, come up with some valid documents, my lord. My lord, to kindly call for a report, my lord, from the superintendent of police as well as, my lord, from the, my lord, respondent. The respondent.
SP has already claimed for transfer of the land in favor of the police.
Transfer of the land. That is, that it is admitted, my lord, that the land doesn't belong to the police, my lord. The police, my lord,
is belong to the Pradhan also.
the police,
to the
my lord, I am on a point of law, my lord. I will not go into, my lord, what is coming from, my lord, my learned friend. I have placed the provisions. I have placed the provisions of law, my lord. আমাকে রিপোর্টের কপি দাও। Supplementary affidavit.
Imagine the condition, the fight between the two
Kindly
parties.
come page 26. This.
My lord, kindly take, my lord, second page, paragraph 3 of their report. 6-8, my lord, the letter was issued to the BDO. 7-8, my lord, they have now said that 7-8-2024, just within 24 hours thereafter, they now pay for, my lord, transfer of the land, my lord.
Yes, page 26.
Page 26.
Yes.
This is the construction. You are hereby directed to start the work immediately for the work of the construction of the community sanitary complex at Sonachura Police Party. It is admitted Sonachura Police Party. Now, my lord, kindly come the next step, that is the report of the Pradhan.
There is no schedule, nothing.
Report of the Pradhan himself admitted. Page 29. He prayed for stop of the work in respect of the Sonachura Police Party. Construction of community sanitary complex at Sonachura Police Party.
My case is, my lord, this cannot be used. This belongs to the panchayat.
The party is being used since 2015. Whole EFR were there.
Well, if since 2015 it was being used as a party, my lord, then on 7-8-2024, my lord, this is nothing but a sheer afterthought, my lord, as it's been submitted by my learned friend.
Transfer of the land.
The question of transfer should not have arisen, my lord. This is nothing but to teach the party in opposition a lesson.
The PWD, so it should be transferred in the name of the municipality.
But then it's been used by the panchayat for so long. Why
That
does
is not never used.
never?
No, not a single.
Maybe it is there.
Malada,
It was under the possession of the panchayat.
no.
Who was holding possession?
Malada, it is the police party.
But there is also a supplementary affidavit ballot. This contains ballot, the NIT ballot, which was floated ballot back in 2014-15.
Yes. NIT was floated, yes.
Yes.
And the construction was also made for the benefit of the panchayat.
Malada, State Finance Commission, Malada, it is not by the
Money
panchayat.
is no. The money is coming from the government.
Land does not belong to the government, to the panchayat. The land belongs to the government. It is under the PWD. It is still in the record of the PWD.
It is not in your record also.
No.
How are you using it?
Malad, it is Malad. Kindly see
The prayer for interdepartmental transfer is pending.
Kindly see, Malad. Perhaps it has been in 2015. Or kindly see, Malad. Kindly see, Malad, paragraph 4 of the report.
The transfer of land is necessary to formalize the police camp presence. That is what they have written.
1 minute. Notice inviting tender. 1 minute. Supplementary affidavit, page number 6. Notice inviting tender in 2014 from the bona fide credentials following. It has been done by the Gram Panchayat.
Yes.
And the purpose is anything mentioned?
Purpose ballot will find ballot. Kindly turns overleaf. Serial number 13. Construction of godown building near GP office at Mauja Gangra.
Construction of godown building, GP office, Mojavanga, yes. 8.
Yes.
So, prima facie, there are documents to show that the construction was made for the benefit of the Gram Panchayat. The police is forcefully taking possession.
Ballot may kindly read it along with what they have stated, ballot, in their report. They have stated, ballot, the transfer of, that is paragraph number 3, ballot, on the second page, the transfer of land is necessary to formalize the police camp's presence and ensure its continued operation. They are robbing off under broad daylight. This is not the purpose for what the police has been set up under the Police Act.
Paragraph 4, that's, it is the instance that from FIR, EFR or EFR were Malad.
Maybe they have used it for the EFR saying that does not mean you'll.
It has been constructed on 2015 and since then EFR are using this building.
But then prima facie it appears this is panchayat land and you are trying to.
Land does not belong to the panchayat.
Land does not belong. Construction, the subject structure.
Yes. Construction.
Kindly record it, ballot, and ballot may kindly ballot, freeze them, ballot, from entering inside ballot the construction belonging which has been made by the panchayat, ballot. This is by operation of law,
Please come. The petitioner is the petitioner number 1 is the Gram Panchayat, represented by the petitioner number 2 being the Pradhan of the said Gram Panchayat. Step. Allegation is that the officer in charge Nandigram police station is taking forceful possession of the godown / warehouse of the Gram Panchayat for using the same as the Shonachura outpost. Step. Petitioners rely upon Section 42 of the West Bengal Panchayat Act 1973 in support of the submission that the said property belongs to the Gram Panchayat. Step. The petitioner has filed a supplementary affidavit annexing the notice inviting tender floated by the Shonachura Gram Panchayat with a memo number 196/Gen dated 10th November 2014 to show that construction was made at the said premises in the year 2014, and the construction was for the godown building near the Gram Panchayat office at Mauja, Kangra. Paragraph. It has been submitted that as the Gram Panchayat is ruled by the political party currently in opposition in the state, accordingly, the state is desperately trying to throw out the panchayat from the said structure and intend to use the said structure as their outpost. Stop.
And in connivance with the Jila Parishad also.
According to the petitioners, the same is being done in connivance with the Jila Parishad. Paragraph. Learned advocate representing the state respondents relies upon a report forwarded by the inspector in charge, Nondigram Police Station, dated 13th of December 2024. Stop. Next. It appears therefrom that a prayer was made to the Superintendent of Police, Purva Medinipur on 7th August 2024 for inter-department transfer of land in favor of the Home and Hills Affair Department for the use of the Shonachura outpost. Stop. Letter was also sent to the District Magistrate, Purva Medinipur from the Office of the Superintendent of Police seeking inter-department transfer of land. Stop. The field inquiry is complete. The transfer of land is necessary to formalize the police camp's presence and ensure its continued operation. Stop. The report further mentions that the Gram Panchayat has demanded removal of the police camp from the Shonachura Gram Panchayat. Paragraph.
My lord, I have also submitted that the police are already, my lord, the police camp is there since 2015. Paragraph 4.
It has been pointed out in the report that the land, that the police camp was established in 2015 in consultation with the other administration to address serious law and order concerns in the area. The camp initially consisted of 4/5 constables from EFR under WBP, and it was renovated in 2015 to ensure the safety of the force. Stop. Presently, the camp is consisting of 5 EFRs and 2 constables. The renovation included the construction of a new building, toilet facility to the police personnel. Stop. As per the police records, as per the old police records, there is a mention of a police camp just opposite to the Shonachura Gram Panchayat. Stop. Prima facie, from the documents placed before this court, it appears that the Shonachura Gram Panchayat did have possession of the land on which construction of the godown was made in the year 2014-15 with the funds made available from the 13th FC.
13th Finance Commission.
State Finance Commission.
State
Stop.
Finance
Next.
on Central Finance Commission.
The
দেখেছো তবে পড়ে দেখো
এখন বলেছি তখন
না তখনই বলেছি স্টেট ফাইন্যান্স কমিশন আর স্টেট ফাইন্যান্স
স্টেট বলতে এখন সেন্ট্রাল
না
objection was raised by the Pradhan of the Gram Panchayat regarding raising of construction of the community sanitary complex
no care has been made for against such construction
on 6th of August 2024 and immediately thereafter a prayer was made by the inspector in charge of the Gram of the police station.
6th August to be complained about the illegal encroachment construction council letter.
আচ্ছা, to the illegal encroachment construction বললাম না একটা কই আগের লাইনটাতেই 6th August না ওটা হবে for illegal against illegal encroachment of the godown at the instance of the police and immediately on 7th August no on a prayer was sent to the superintendent of police on 7th August 2024 with request for interdepartmental transfer of land in favor of the Home and Hills Affairs Department of the state. Stop paragraph. As the Gram Panchayat, now as the construction was used for a godown of the Gram Panchayat, comma, the police ought not to use the same for any other purpose till formal interdepartmental transfer is allowed. Stop paragraph. The Panchayat authority may have permitted the police to use the warehouse for some particular reason, but that does not give any right in favor of the police to continue possession of the same. Stop paragraph. The matter is made returnable on 7th of January 2025. Stop. The Superintendent of Police, Purva Mendipur, is directed to file an affidavit disclosing its stand for the subject structure. Stop. The police is restrained from taking over possession of the structure in question till 31st of January 2025 or until further order, whichever is earlier.
But it also restrains them from giving any effect to this prayer date in 7-8 because in the meantime what they will do is
Effect to the
with regard to the prayer for interdepartmental transfer which they have made on 7-8-2024
that how
otherwise
let us see. Let us see what will happen.
Kindly grant me that protection at least.
It is made clear that the court is yet to decide upon the interdepartmental transfer.
Grateful to you.
Interdepartmental transfer which has been sought for by the police in its favor. Stop. The prayer for interdepartmental transfer shall not be proceeded any further.
Extremely grateful to you.
Till
if not proceeded
any further, comma, if not proceeded. till the next date of hearing.
Extremely grateful to you.
Stop. In the event the interdepartmental transfer of the subject structure has been proceeded with, comma, then no action will be taken in response to the same until the next date of hearing.
Extremely grateful to your addition. Grateful.
বইটা ফেরত যাবে।